Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can definitely check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a UI UX designer program for beginners from Great Learnings. As they have already mentioned, it is for beginner, not an advanced version, and it's a 4.53 rating is there, and it's a 7.5 hours level course, and skills you will gain about this course about the UI UX, and this is the introduction of UI UX, different between UI UX, process, wireframing, and prototyping, UI tools, and if we design about the UI tools, like they will teach about Marvel and Figma, and these are the certifications. And this is a trial trusted by 1 crore. Rating is good, and overall the UI of this page is very clean and neat and clean. And there are many other courses also. And if we give our 999 per month is subscription fees is also there. Free UI design course is also there. Rest nothing else. So it's an average course on a beginner level, not on advanced version, but they have not detailing about the tools like XP, Adobe Sketch. Like according to me, like only Figma is not a proper UI UX tool. Like many AI tools are also there, but they have not mentioned the proper UI UX tools. So AI tools are the matter of afterwards. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, that curriculum depth and structure is 0.5 for me. UX fundamental is also 0.5 for me. And UI design quality is 1 for me. And hand-on project is not there, so it's a 0 for me. Tools and software training is 0.5 for me because no proper detailing about the UI UX tools and AI tools. And mentorship and feedback is 0 for me. Portfolio development is 0 for me. Placement and career support is 0.5 for me. And course values fees is 1 for me according to the beginner level, not on advanced version. Like if you want to pursue on a beginner level, you can go with this course, but not on advanced version. I will not recommend this course on advanced version, but recommend this course on a beginner level. And if we count down, like industry relevance update is also 1 for me. So it's a 5 out of 10 course, and it's an average course on a beginner level. Like again, there are many better courses in the market, better than this institute or this course overview, which covers all the parameters in terms of UI UX and which cover the advanced and beginner level both at the same time. I will add the link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation and which covers all the parameters in terms of UI UX and contain equal weightage and also guiding placement and career support. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.